So if you've taken the time to click on this video, chances are you've experienced an old moment on your upholstery. First and foremost, relax. Just like with your clothing, many textiles are made to be soap and water cleanable, but certainly all the ones branded as Wesley Hall Performance are. So now that you've taken a deep breath, I'm going to run you through some basic steps that will help you deal with your stain. First, time is of the essence, so be certain to deal with your stain as quickly as possible. Step 2, always start by removing excess stain with a clean, dry cloth. In this example, I'm cleaning soy sauce. And as you can see, it simply wicks off of the textile. In this case, no further cleaning is necessary. Step 3, if your stain happened while you weren't looking and it has dried, use a clean, dry brush to remove the excess stain. I simply grabbed a new toothbrush to do this. In this example, I'm cleaning salsa that has been on the fabric for several hours. And remember, you're cleaning fabric, so brush gently as to not damage the textile. Step 4, I always suggest simply starting with water. If the textile has been treated for performance, this may be all you need. Step 5, if warranted, move on to soap and water cleaning, and simply use what's there at your kitchen sink. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon of dish detergent with 1 cup of water. I think it's easiest to do so in a spray bottle. Then simply spray and blot the stain. Be sure not to rub the stain as it might further ingrain it into the textile. And remember, it may take a few times. For best results, let the fabric dry between passes. An important tip, if you're dealing with a performance fabric, do not use chemical upholstery cleaners. After all, performance fabrics are designed to not require them. Step 6, when finished, it's very important that you remove all soap residue. Simply spray with plain water and blot. Be sure to repeat the process several times, otherwise surface soap will attract dust and dirt if not removed properly. So best of luck with your spill, and when in doubt, be sure to visit the major performance brand websites for more tricks of the trade.